A country without war. Andorra. Yes, it does exist and it's been around in some form for almost 1000 years. It has a seat in United Nations, an Olympic team, and diplomatic relations with other countries. So get your memo out that Andorra is a real country. Quite shocking, right? Andorra, officially known as Principality of Andorra, is a sovereign landlocked microstate on the Iberian Peninsula in the Eastern Pyrenees, bordered by France to the north and Spain to the south. It's the 16th smallest country in the world by land and 11th smallest by population, which is just 85,000 including the citizens and residents. So if we see the size, the whole country of Andorra is just only 467 square kilometers, and if we compare it with London, which is about 1572 square kilometers, we can fit whole 3 Andorras in one London. So given its non-strategic location in the Pyrenean Mountains and lack of natural resources, Andorra has been without conflict for most of its century. Technically, Andorra did declare war on Germany in World War I, but it never sent any troops into the conflict. Given the Andorra's lack of participation in World War I, they were forgotten about in the Treaty of Versailles and didn't officially declare peace with Germany until 1957. Yep, it's quite hard to remember small countries. Being a country without any war is not the only special thing about Andorra. Andorra is the world's only co-principality. So let's first learn what is principality. A principality is a place ruled by prince. Monaco is an example of principality. Andorra, however, is a co-principality. That is, they are ruled by two princes. Surprisingly, neither one of them is from Andorra. One prince is the president of France, Emmanuel Macron. The other co-prince is the Bishop of Urgell, who is currently Jean-Enrique Viva Celsia. The position is constitutional one, similar to the British monarchy, and holds no real power. Andorra is pretty cool, right? Not just having two princes, they don't even have a currency of them. They use euro and had various currencies in the past. It primarily used the Spanish peseta and sometimes the French francs. Being in Europe, Andorra's ancient culture began with Romans and was influenced by regionals close to several mountain passes leading to northern Europe. Over the centuries, Spain, Italy, and France played a strong part in its development into a primarily Catalonian area with Catalan its main language. Its most valued cultural asset is the long legacy of Romanic art. Wow, I was amazed after reading about Andorra, and I really think that there is some amazing history in the world. So if you are curious enough, you can surely learn a lot. So ignite your curiosity and get on to the journey. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram at the Spirit of Curiosity Facts. So see you soon. Peace.